Hello Beamers! In this video, I'll show you simple step-by-step solutions to fix how to get detention center shelter stash in Stalker 2. Let's dive into the video. First, navigate to the detention center. Locate the detention center in the southeastern part of the garbage region. Approach the building from its southwest exterior corner. Next, enter into the building. Use the door found at the southwest corner to enter the detention center. Now climb to the roof. Once inside, walk forward until you reach a stairwell. Ascend to the top floor. At the top, turn right into a short corridor and then enter the decimated room on your left. Now let's access the roof. In the decimated room, find a diagonal concrete pillar that you can use as a ramp to climb onto the roof. Now navigate hazards on the roof. Upon reaching the roof, face north and sprint past any fire anomalies. Turn left at the edge of the roof and continue following it until you reach a corner where you will find the shelter stashed near a body. Loot the stash. Inside the stash, you will find valuable items such as ammo, medkits, and bandages. By following these steps, you will successfully retrieve valuable loot from the detention center shelter stash while navigating its challenges. That's it for today's guide. Hopefully, one of these solutions helped you.